This is going to be a video tutorial on how to permanently close your Indeed account. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Indeed. To permanently close your Indeed account, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to these little icons. The one that looks like a person, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Account. Click on Account. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on this page, I am on the Account Settings tab, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, right down here is Close My Account. Click on Close My Account. A little pop-up will appear. It says, please tell us why you're closing your account. You can select any one of these, it don't matter. It says right up in here, this action cannot be reversed. You would just go down to the bottom and click on Close My Account. That is how to close your Indeed account. Thanks for watching.